Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a poem. The title of the poem is Life, written by Henry van Dyke. First, let me tell you about the poet. Henry van Dyke was an American author, poet, educator, and a clergyman. A clergyman means a religious leader. He worked as a professor of English literature at Princeton University for nearly 24 years. He was also elected to the American Academy of Arts and Letters. He also received many awards and honor. This poem is called as a sonnet. The word sonnet derived from Italian word sonetto. Students, do you know what is a sonnet? A sonnet means little song or small lyric. In poetry, sonnet has 14 lines. It is written in iambic pentameter, a line with 10 syllables, accented on every second beat. Iambic pentameter means if you count the first line of the poem, for example, let me but live my life from year to year. This is the first line. Okay. You just count the syllables. See, let one, me second, but third syllable, live fourth syllable, my fifth syllable, life sixth syllable, from seventh syllable, year eighth syllable, to ninth syllable, and tenth year tenth syllable. So totally there are 10 syllables. So this is the structure of a poem. This is called iambic pentameter. And second beat, accented on every second beat means the second, see, let me, but is we stressed more. That is why they say iambic pentameter. The first 8 line of a sonnet is known as octave, and the last 6 line is known as sestet. This poem tells how to live an ideal life. An ideal life means a perfect life. Life is a journey. It must move always in the forward direction. The goal once fixed should never be changed. We must not worry about the past. We must travel with the happiness, courage, and hope. The journey of life must be joyful. We must hope for the best. Let's see the explanation of the poem line by line. First stanza, octave. Let me but live my life from year to year. The poet says, let me, which means allow me to live my life from year to year. And in the second line, he says how he wanted to live. With the forward face, which means in life, sometimes there is ups and down. There are some obstacles. But we should move forward and unreluctant soul. Unreluctant means willing to achieve something bigger in our life. And also in third line, he says, not hurrying to, nor turning from the goal, which means we should not hurry to achieve the goal, but we have to move forward step by step to achieve the goal. The next line, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past. We should not feel sad or regret for the things that disappeared from us which happened in the past, or worrying about the past things. The next line, nor holding back in fear for what the future wails. It means we should not worry or fear about the future. We don't know what the future holds for us. The next line, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll. It means a person with a whole and happy heart makes the person's youth and old age life cheerful, which means be happy. Let's move to the second stanza, sestet. So, let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Which means the travel path may be hill or down, or rough or smooth. That's the path may be hill. Hill reveals that hard to climb. The path may be hard. Or down reveals that easy. Rough tells that bad situation or worst situation or difficult situation in life. Or smooth means a good situation. What are the situation? The author says that he learned to be joyful in his life. Then the next line, still seeking what I sought when but a boy, which means when he was a small boy, he made friendship with everyone and did high adventurous things. By thus he got crown. Adventurous things means doing great things in life. Through that, by thus got crown. Crown means a good positions, name and fame. The poet says, now also he is seeking the same. Next line. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Which means he will still keep his courage of the quest till the end of his life to search for new friendship, high adventurous and crown, and he hope that the road's last turn will be the best. The poet hopes that a person who decides to live in these ways, his life will be the best. Students, I hope you understood today's assignment. Number 1, memorize the poem fully. Number 2, list out the rhyming word. Number 3, find out the rhyming scheme of the poem. Number 4, find out the alliteration in the poem. Number 5, study the appreciation questions. Thank you.